Want to supercharge your WordPress website with authentic customer reviews and boost your credibility? First, log into your WordPress dashboard. You'll need a plugin to make this magic happen, so navigate to Plugins and click Add New. In the search bar, type in Google Reviews plugin. I recommend looking for a well-rated plugin with plenty of installs. Several great options exist, such as Widget for Google Reviews or Google Reviews Widget. Take a look at their descriptions and ratings, and pick the one that best suits your needs. For this tutorial, we'll use plugin name. Click Install Now next to your chosen plugin. Once installed, the Install Now button will change to Activate. Click Activate to get the plugin up and running. Now, look for the plugin settings, usually found in the WordPress menu on the left-hand side. You may find it under its own name or within the settings menu. You'll likely need to connect your Google business profile using an API key. Follow the plugin's instructions to generate an API key from your Google Cloud Console. This usually involves creating a project and enabling the Google Places API. Once you have your API key, paste it into the plugin's designated field. Next, you'll need to specify which Google business profile to pull reviews from. Usually, you can search for your business by name or ID. Now, the fun part. Head over to the page or post where you want to display your reviews. Most Google Reviews plugins offer a widget or a Gutenberg block. Add the block to your page. Customize the widget or block to your liking. You can usually control things like the number of reviews displayed, the theme or design, and how the reviews are sorted. And that's it. Save your page and preview it to see your Google Business Profile reviews beautifully displayed on your website. Your website now showcases authentic customer feedback, attracting more customers.